Hey there, freelancers, ready to dive into a game-changing business model for 2025? Today, I'm going to walk you through how you can earn big with drop servicing. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge to start your own drop servicing empire. First things first, what exactly is drop servicing? Imagine freelancing, but with a twist. Instead of doing all the work yourself, you act as the middleman. You sell services to clients and then outsource the actual work to other freelancers. It's like drop shipping, but instead of physical products, you're dealing with services. Step 1. Pick your niche. This is crucial. You need to focus on a service that's in high demand. Think graphic design, copywriting, web development, or social media management. The more in demand, the better. Next up, find reliable freelancers. Head over to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Look for talent with good reviews and a strong portfolio. You want to make sure they can deliver high-quality work consistently. Step 3. Set up your website. Your website is your storefront. Make it professional and user-friendly. Use platforms like WordPress or Wix to get started. Highlight your services, showcase some case studies, and most importantly, make it easy for clients to contact you. Now, pricing. This is where you make your money. Mark up the price of the freelancer's work. For example, if you pay a freelancer $100 for a job, charge your client $200. This way you pocket the difference without lifting a finger. Marketing your services comes next. Utilize social media, SEO, and even paid ads to get the word out. Join freelance and entrepreneur groups on Facebook or LinkedIn and share your offerings. Networking can bring in your first clients. Finally, deliver top-notch customer service. Communication is key. Keep your clients updated on their project's progress. Ensure deadlines are met and the quality is top-notch. Happy clients will return and refer others to you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making a substantial income through drop servicing in 2025. Remember, the key is to stay organized, keep your clients happy, and constantly seek out top talent to outsource to. Got questions or need more? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more ways to level up your freelance game. Until next time, keep hustling and stay inspired.